What's the meaning of chef salad? Chef salad. Chef salad.
Chef's salad. Chef's salad. Chef's salad is a type of mixed salad that typically contains a variety of ingredients such as lettuce, hard-boiled eggs, cheese, meat, such as ham or turkey, and vegetables, like tomatoes and cucumbers. It is often dressed with a vinaigrette or creamy dressing and may also include croutons. The dish originated in the United States in the 1940s and has since become a popular option in many restaurants. Its name comes from the idea that it is a salad that a chef might create using whatever ingredients are available in the kitchen.